Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to AWS using MFA for SSH and SSM detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate to AWS using MFA for SSH and SSM, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the IAM dashboard. Locate the user for whom you want to enable MFA. Click on the user's name to open their details. In the user's summary page, find the Security Credentials tab. Under the Multi-Factor Authentication (MFA) section, click Manage. Select Virtual MFA Device and click Continue. Open your MFA app on your smartphone. Scan the QR code displayed on the screen or enter the provided code manually. Once the MFA app is set up, enter the first MFA code generated by the app. Click on Assign MFA. Now, navigate to the EC2 dashboard. Find the instance you want to connect to via SSH. Ensure that the instance has an IAM role with permissions for SSM. Open the AWS Systems Manager console. Click on Session Manager under Node Management. To connect via SSH, you need the AWS CLI installed on your local machine. Configure the AWS CLI with your access key, secret key, and default region. Use the command AWS configure to set this up. Next, ensure your terminal support for MFA. In the terminal, create a session with MFA using the command AWS STS get session token serial number on AWS IAM account ID MFA / your MFA device name token code your code. Replace the placeholders with your account ID, MFA device name, and current MFA code. The command will return temporary credentials, including access key, secret key, and session token. Set these credentials as environment variables. Enter the command export AWS _access _key _ID equals your _access _key _ID export AWS _secret _access _key equals your Now, use SSH to connect to your instance with the following command. SSH iyourkey.pem EC2 user at your instance public DNS. Make sure your key file permissions are set to read only using chmod 400 yourkey.pem. For connecting via SSM, ensure that the correct IAM policies are attached to your instance role. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.